Hey fam, welcome to Jack to Jeep. Today we're going to be hitting a trail called Got Milk in South Dakota. Milk in South Dakota. Hope you guys enjoy this. Let's go and look at the rigs real quick, and then we're going to be hitting the trail. Some people are still airing down, so I just want to show you guys what everyone has.
That's why you got a happy face on your Jeep, man.
I was videoing when it happened.
Oh, good.
That'll be good. I was too, actually.
Okay, Mary, you're out in social media, I hope.
You have to let us all know how to get to it. Lake bypass.
So you're going to need a needle nose to pull the cotter pins. 13/16 I think is the nut, and a hammer and whatever other input.
Put a noose around her neck and
You have
she'll
a
smile at us.
3-pound. You have a 3-pound hammer, or what do you got? I've got a 3-pound. There you go.
Yeah, because we're going to have to shock load that to get the. We need a pry bar too, so we can put pressure on it.
I got a pry bar.
When we shock load it. Yep. They'll pop out of the.
Well, I moved last time and you guys were going to come. I'm going to check.
You get a pry bar. Oh, you got a pry bar.
Okay. Are you wedging the? Yeah, that's a great idea.
I was just thinking that too.
Yeah.
Let's try popping it loose at the drag link and not the pitman arm to start.
I'm down for that.
And see if we can. Pitman arm is going to not be any fun to work on.
Pull it in. Yeah. I've got a Franken Jeep I've almost got built with a V6 in it, and a mill.
Give me a bag of cheese, Pops. I'll just sit on it and dip in right down.
Probably gotta go out. Oh, and I got the handle stuck.
Hammer.
That's right, keep bending it. Bend it a little more, it'll come off.
Oh,
Well, there was a nice bend in that. Take a look, see. Yeah.
I know.
Pressure to get the taper to seat.
Ain't going anywhere now.
Hey, Nick.
simple country life. Found myself a woman that it took for me to be my wife. I was working on the ground, come sun up to sundown. Yeah, I'm trying to make a reputation for a man inside this town. Hard as I try, maybe I just can't. I ain't no up and kinda leaving pain. She kissed me one time and she took my heart. Baby, you can love me, you can leave me, I'm a honky-tonk star. Yeah, I'm a honky-tonk star. Well, working 3 jobs, living out of a car. Mama never told me life would get this hard. Running around the world playing my guitar. Baby, you can love me, you can leave me, I'm a honky-tonk star. Yeah, I'm a honky-tonk star. Yeah, no George Jones, gas stirred, long young guns, yeah, baby. Tell you one thing that you won't believe. A woman ain't nothing but a thing to need. Burn right through 'em like a cigarette. On a line of cocaine on a private jet. I give good loving like they won't forget. Baby, good Lord knows what time it is. Hard as I try, maybe I just can't. I ain't no up, kinda leaving me. She kissed me one time and she took my heart. Baby, you can love me, you can leave me, I'm a honky-tonk. Well, working 3 jobs, living out of a car. Mama never told me life would get this hard. Running around the world playing my guitar. Baby, you can love me, you can leave me, I'm a honky-tonk star. Yeah, I'm a honky-tonk star. I'm a honky-tonk star. Lord, I'm a honky-tonk star. Well, working 3 jobs, living out of a car. Mama never told me life would get this hard. Running around the world playing my guitar. Baby, you can love me, you can leave me, I'm a honky-tonk star. Yeah, a honky-tonk star. Yeah, yeah, I'm a honky-tonk star.
All right, fam. That trail was called Got Milk. Had a couple issues on the trail. Got some people fixed, got some people pulled, and we're all safe, we're all good. We're heading back to camp. So click subscribe. That way, help me grow this channel. So if you haven't hit the bell, please do so. That'll notify you of any new content that I'm putting out. You're also gonna want to watch this video up here. You know, you might just enjoy it. So leave it better than you found it. My name's Steve, and I'm out. Later.